Hey everyone, welcome back to day 33 of our 100 days of DevOps journey. So, yeah, it has been like ages for this 100 days of DevOps journey, and today it is dedicated video for the same. Due to some circumstances, I was not able to like. There are multiple videos, unedited videos I have created, but those are not up to the mark, so I have to discard it and trash it. So today I have today I'm just planning for another video. So it is, let me, where is my draw.io? Just a moment. Okay, so here is our draw.io. Uh, Okay, so today's topic is it is a very interesting one. What was the recap? Okay, so in the previous video of this series of the 100 days of DevOps series, so we have understood about Terraform, we have understood about remote state management and backends, then state locking. Okay, and apart from that, we have learned about like we have seen this branching strategies and all that, how the PR is created and everything. There are multiple things over there, so we have seen there. Okay, so uh, now like there is one more important topic which is very interesting as of now, which is called let me just secret management. Okay, secret management in DevOps. So there are various methods to to manage the secrets over in the DevOps. Okay, where is the text box? Okay, this one. Uh, uh, um, Secret management in DevOps. Okay, secret management is one of the very important topic. Okay, that you need to you need to check. Okay, you need to look into, because most of the DevOps engineers are uh, it is an essential topic. Okay, because we have to manage multiple secrets, multiple there are multiple platforms where we have to use like databases. Then there is access key, secret key in AWS. Then secret manager. I'm recently working uh, on the Azure part, and recently like uh, I have acquired the GCP certification as well. So multi-cloud competencies is also there. So suppose you have to manage the secrets and everything. So how would you do that? Okay, so there are multiple tools over here. Okay, let me just add a list. This secret uh, management tools. Let me just increase the size. Okay, now I think it is fine. Okay, secret management tool. We have secret management available in GitHub also. You can add, I think, session, email, billing, SSH. There are these keys you can manage. Okay, password and authentication. No, is this the one? Yeah, passwordless sign in with pass keys. You can set up. So this is the account setup over here. And packages, repositories, code space. There are multiple things over here. Code security, in which you can add. Okay, dependency graph, depend about I have not selected over here. So there are a lot of things that you can look into. Okay. Yeah. Where were we? 100 days of DevOps. No, I think we were in the this three tier. Yes. So it was so long that I also forget. Okay. So yeah, we have dev QA stage. Okay, dev feature one. So that we have created all these repositories. Okay, all these repositories. If we check pull request, so there is we also have set up some kind of checks in this. Okay, Terraform pull, and so these were the checks that we have configured. Okay, so they didn't work due to some issue over here. Node, no such file. Okay, node was not available. Hmm. We node. Okay, that is fine. It can be fixed. So that's where we have seen like Terraform format check, Terraform init validation. These has failed. Okay, so we have seen there is one more thing that is very important for us. It is secret management. So what tools do we have? We can use this secrets variable. Okay, action code space. If you want code space like new repository secret, if we want to set up some database secret into this, or something like that, so we can push its access key, secret key in this one. Okay, and then call it in the GitHub actions. Similarly, I have I have added GitHub access key and secret key. Okay, though these were expired, so we might have to update it. So you can edit it right away from here. Okay, since those secrets are visible only once, so you can write it but not read it. Okay, you can write the updated password over here, but you cannot read it. So that is one thing. So this is secrets and variables. Okay, I'll GitHub repo secret uh, management. Okay. Hmm. So this one is one of the very interesting tool that is used a lot. Okay, So for each of the repository, each of the project, you can add it and update it. Okay, so this is part one. Then we have I think AWS SSM secret uh, some secret management. Okay, parameter store we say. Then we have Azure Key Vault. Okay, why is it not going to next step? Then Azure Key Vault or key management service we have Key Vault. Then we have HashiCorp Vault. Okay, HashiCorp Vault is also one tool over here. Oh, just a moment. Let me just increase this. Okay, we have HashiCorp Vault. HashiCorp, uh, HashiCorp Vault. We have then we have this. Which one? There are some other services like One Password. Okay, One Password. But these are for password managing. LastPass. Okay, LastPass. So secret sharing services. Uh, are very these are some of the very popular ones. Okay, so all of these are used for secret management and all other requirements and everything. So now today what we'll do, we'll just look into this AWS SSM parameter store. Okay, so I have like just a moment. Okay, let me just start. I think for 1 hour would be sufficient for me. Let's see. I'm not sure if we have access for this uh, SSM store in my subscription. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it has been started. Username, and this is the password. Okay, okay, I have like started it. SSM, yeah, System Secret Manager Parameter Store. Yeah, this. Okay, so let's begin with why it is important. First of all, let's understand that in DevOps we deal with API keys, DB password. I already have like explained credentials, and storing them in Terraform files and GitHub repository is like security nightmare. Okay, so security nightmare. Why? Because it can be leaked. Okay, someone like if you store it in GitHub repository, someone pulls it, it gets the database. Okay, it gets the username, password, and everything and whatnot available. And if someone like it get leaked somehow, because as of now we have seen like there is one leak. Okay, Google password leak. Okay, so yeah, 16 billion login credential leaked in major data breach. So this is a very serious thing. Okay, uh, like uh, to manage a secret. So that's why some of the I have seen like multiple developers and other they just like said that even if your repository is private, it is not a not like it is a discouraged practice, not like it is even it is we can say it is one of the worst practice, but it is a very discouraged and like it is frowned upon. Okay, because if you save any of the data API key, secret key into the repository, okay, if it get leaked, your whole application might get compromised. Okay, someone can use that API key, access key, secret key, and DB password, DB credential to to launch an attack on your application. Okay, so that is a it is a nightmare, security nightmare we can say. Okay, so for security, I do have worked in security DevSecOps part, so that is a completely like completely mm, uh, what we can say discouraged, or like you shouldn't do it. Okay, so the solution is use a centralized secret manager. Okay, like AWS System Manager SSM, this System Secret Manager. Okay, this parameter store. Okay, it is a parameter store. AWS System Manager Parameter Store, secret and configuration data management. So you can use it. You can use this for like to to prevent like without SSH login, you can set it up. Okay, so let's just see like to keep secret encrypted version. It is also like it also helps us to manage the version and access control. Okay, there are multiple things. So what is this AWS SSM parameter store? So it allows you to store plain text values. Okay, encrypt secret. Okay, using SecureString, using AWS KMS. It is another service. I'll just show you. like KMS. So key management service. It is a very good one, very good service. So like encryption, decryption key. In fact, you can, if you don't want any key to be created, okay, custom key, you can create your own. Then there is this. So we can create like symmetric key, asymmetric key, encrypt and decrypt. Okay, asymmetric keys are more secure. So you can just create SSH keys and upload it over here. Sign in and verify which for which purpose are you using it. Okay, so import external keys can also be imported. Like if you don't trust, don't want the keys that are created by AWS, so you can import in your, if you want to secure your key, you can secure it multiple locations. So it is a very good service. I have used it a lot for like client client data security and multiple use cases. S3 buckets, okay, S3 buckets are encrypted, decrypted using this service, keys into this service. So it is a very good one. So KMS is used for this. So in the for the secret encryption and decryption, and it is integrated with IAM access policies. Okay, so IAM access policies will look into it, and it is cost effective and perfect for secret that don't need high rotation or audit capabilities. Okay, so just so like high audit, like suppose you have to change the password in like 6 months, so it is a good one. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so how is it not like we have it? How can it be integrated with IAM policy? So SSM key store can, like, who can read it, who can write it, who can modify it. You can add over there. In fact, you can use some kind of bots or something to ensure it. Okay, so there are multiple things that that can be used over here. Okay, okay. So like you can provide it to any of the user, and there is like IAM role provided to some kind of API or something to rotate the keys or anything. Okay, so these are some of the very interesting things that we can do. Okay, and then an app like EC2 instance or Lambda that need to fetch secret at runtime. So we can assign IAM rules to that, and developer who should not access the production secret. So there are like multiple things you can define it, and it is cost effective and perfect for secret. So like why is it cost effective? Like we can save up to 10,000. Okay, let me just check if I have up to 10,000 standard, what we can say, standard parameters, okay, into this for free. Like if I just go and secret, like standard advanced store up to 10,000, 1 lakh advanced parameter store value, 10,000 stock store parameter values up to 4 KB. Okay, these are some of the very string list, secure string. Okay, multiple KMS ID. If we have to like uh, create a new KMS, we can provide it. Okay, a lot of things over here, like low rotation can be used for like if we have to rotate the database password every quarter, every 6 months, service to service authentication token, static API keys. So everything can be managed over here. Okay, you can in fact automate it, not necessarily you have to um, what we can say, you have to manage it. Okay, so you have to do it manually. Okay, uh, so when to use, like this is a very good tool we can use. So then okay, so when to use, like when should we use this parameter store? There are some of the applications over here. So while working with Terraform, EC2 or Lambda setup, basic encryption, IAM control, okay, like auto rotation, secret lifestyle management, and everything. So auto rotation is very good functionality. Like uh, okay, so these are some of the very good use cases for that. Okay, so let's just like start with a demo. Okay, quickly go into the demo and start it. So I'll just create one parameter over here. So uh, I'll just show you like from here also and from CLI also, like how can we create it. Like DevOps, I have DevOps create a parameter with path. Okay, so I'm just creating it with like secret secret one. Okay, secret one is my parameter over here. Only okay, yeah, string is not required. Okay, it is already a string. So we have like this is a secret one. Okay, and I'm just creating it as a secure string. Mm, 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 mm. Hmm. So I just have to my my first secret. Okay, password or my secret password one. Okay, I have created it, and we can save it like which region we are in. I think US East one. Okay, that is fine. So I already have like created maximum length, so it is up to here. And if we have to go advanced, so here you can see the number of character has been increased, like doubled. Okay, so that's how advanced secrets are working. Basic strings that you need to check. Okay. Okay, so for this I'm not able to do it. Hmm. I think it does not allow me to create in this particular lab. Just a moment, I'll check if I have any AWS account available with me. Okay, so I have like created an account, and we have SSM parameter store. Yeah, so this is what we have. Like, let's create a parameter store. DevOps, not what should we say? Secret one. Okay, first secret. We want a secure secret. So this is default KMS key ID. Okay, it will automatically take a key ID, and my secure secret, my secure password one. Okay, so this is how I created it, and yeah, it is saved now. Okay, similarly, what I can do, I can create I can create a new. Let me just go to IAM. Okay, this is IAM. Let me. I might have created one access key secretly. Let me just check. Users to. Okay, okay. These are the access key and secret key over here. Ah, okay, as of now, there is no access key secret key available for this account, for this role. I'll just create a new one. Okay, so I have created a new username and password, access key and secret key. Okay, here you can see it, and here I have created this parameter in the Asia Pacific AP South 1 region. Okay, so now I'll just create a new ID. Okay, a new parameter using the CLI command. So how would I do that? Okay, so this is okay, and here I want to use the profile read.devops, okay, admin. Okay, do we have to like provide AWS SSM help? Let's see, put create activation, add, delete. There is this put parameter. Okay, put parameter. Yeah, put parameter. Or like I have to check if we have to provide a region. Okay, so region will be using not connect region equal to AP South 1. Okay. So here you can see, okay, it has already been created, version 1, and it has been created. So when I go back to my console and yeah, okay, DB password has been configured over here. So I can like see my values. You can enable disable this thing as well. Okay, at the time of creation, so nobody can read it, or you can provide IAM access for this. Okay, and you can manage it everywhere. So now let's just go to our Terraform file. Okay, let's just go to our Terraform file. So how can we use this into our Terraform setup. I'll just provide you a brief introduction. Open folder, 3 tier, 100 days, 3 tier, 3 tier, 3 tier. Where is DevOps flow meaning? Yeah, I'm also like working on some short videos, but it is difficult for me as well. Just a moment. Okay, so we are here in this our 3 tier web app. Okay, here in provider.tf, we already have like configured it, right? We already have configured everything. Where did it go? Okay, and we have provided it over here. So what do we have? We have set up a bucket. Okay, mm, this the backend.tf. Yeah, in backend.tf, this is the hurry terraform remote state file. This is the bucket name. I think this bucket is not available as of now. Okay, I'll just go to s3. Okay, this bucket might not be available, so I'll just create the same thing over here. Okay, I want to create a bucket. This is my bucket name. Hurry terraform. I think okay. Server side encryption, S3 managed keys, and KMS keys, S3 managed keys, KMS keys. You can use like any of that. As of now, I'm just using this one. Bucket key, create bucket. Okay, this has been created. Then profile 100 days of DevOps. I'll just use it. Hurry.devops flow admin. Okay, this profile I have added. Uh, and what else do we have? Provider profile. I already have configured profile over here. So why is it? Okay, and the region would be AP South 1. Okay, so these are the configurations that we have to make. Provider, region, and everything we have configured. Then let's jump to our where is Terraform workflows. Okay, I'll just create a new file over here with name main.tf. Okay, main.tf is basically for like I want to only use this parameter. Okay, I don't want like any other parameter to be configured. And I just want like to echo this value. Okay, this is just for demo purpose. So what I'll do, terminal, here we are, and let's just terraform init. Hmm? A change in the backend configuration has been declared which may require migration. Migrate state, where is my state file? Let me just reconfigure it. If you wish to attempt automatic migration to of state. Okay, I want this current because the old one was deleted. I'm just showing you this setup. Like, okay, what is it happening now? Does not exist. I have created, right? Oh, okay, unique name. Now it is available. Okay. Provider is correct. Backend I just have to update, right? Terraform. Uh, mm, mm, okay, so the backend is getting initialized. Okay, now you can see this is where I have like kept it. Okay, I was like what was the issue here? I was using different region. Okay, so I was using this one, so I have changed it to AP South one. Now the error has gone. Okay, it has initialized successfully. Okay, let's move to the next stage. So it is working fine. Terraform reconfigure is done, and DynamoDB table is, I think DynamoDB table is also provided. Yeah, DynamoDB table is also given. Okay, now so that we have created it, just we just have to put, sorry, we just have to Terraform init, Terraform plan. I think variable VPC subnet it might create. Why is it called operation put item and oh yeah, DynamoDB table is also not available. I have to create that Terraform state.log. No worries. Hmm. Now the table has been created. Okay, table has been successfully created. Let me just restart, retry it. Hmm. So it is working. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it will take everything from here. Like uh, we have created this one, all the module. Okay. Oh my god, it is. So it will create everything in this one. But what we want actually is in our main dot, where is main.tf? Yeah, I'll just let me just create it. Auto approve. Let's create it. Let's create everything over here, and let's see if we get the data. Hmm. So null resource creating provisioning. Why is it output suppressed due to sensitive value in config? So yeah, it has detected like some kind of sensitive value is being used. Okay, okay. East US. Where have we like used US East? I'm just changing it. AP South one. Okay. I rerun the plan and we have okay apply auto approve. Let's see. Okay, so it is running as of now, but it is fine. But where are we like where are we looking into is this sensitive value is not getting seen. So for that, okay, so for that, what I have done, I have created this output.tf. Okay, this output.tf will show us the value. Let's see if we can by default like uh, 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 let me just okay. By default like all the secrets which are available in this SSM, it is reading, but why is it not printing? To reduce the risk export sensitive, it is reading the data, but I want to print it. So this is also like a mechanism where the secrets can be managed over here. Though we have this secret, it is like output db password demo. If you do not if you do intend to export this data, note the output value as sensitive by adding the, if you intend to export this data, uh, uh, let's first check uh, db password request in an error occurred unrecognized client exception when calling the get parameter operation. Security token included in the request is invalid. Security token, but we, oh yeah, I haven't got profile. Hmm. So it is like we are able to call it from here. There is one more method that we can use. It is not provisioning it. Okay, with decryption. I think with decryption. Let me just put it false. Let me check if we'll get any detail over here. It is still failing. Let me just. There is one more method that we can use. So we can export this. We can use this as a variable. I can show you like local plus exact. There is one thing we can do. We just have to fetch it as sensitive output, sensitive true. Let us see, sensitive true description. Make it sensitive true. Allow this to process the plan and keep secret hidden. Okay, and null resource plus. What we can do, we can create a in main.tf. We can create a variable. Data is it is fetching. We just have to local db password. That is a demo. Db password demo. But we also have to mark it as non-sensitive. Okay. Oh, this is non-sensitive, and we have output. Let's just modify this output to demo value local dot. I think this should print it. What we have done, we just have moved it. We just have like called this variable over here. This is a data resource. Okay, we'll see in future. Okay, yeah. Okay, with this decryption, it is we have put it as false. Okay, let's just see with this decryption too. Okay, so we are fetching the value, but it is in hashed format. Yeah, yeah. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the way you can import any of the data. Okay, so changes to output. So this is the encrypted value, and this is the decrypted value. So this is how you can use it. This is how you can test it out. Okay, so we just have to like in output.tf what we can do, we just have like the previous values. Okay, we have to set that one. So those values are mostly helping us to keep the secret safe, and we can safely like whenever we have to create new database or new resource or anything, we can directly pass those values without even printing it on in any terminal or anything, we can directly pass it on to the next stage, okay, to create a new resource or anything. So this is the way. I hope you have liked it, and this is a very common practice. It is a very, what we can say, best practice that we should follow. Okay, like I'll, if possible, so we have like configured it, and if possible I'll show you with GitHub Secret Manager, and with GitHub Secret, and Azure Key Vault as well. So we can use in multiple different formats everything over here. So thank you all, have a nice day. And whenever you are practicing, there is one thing that you should do, which is called destroy. Okay, and the resources that I have created manually, I'll destroy those as well, because for now I'll just keep this state file. Here you can see the state file. You can check out. Okay, what exactly in this, what are the different versions. Versioning I think is disabled. Versioning has not been enabled. So this is versioning should also be enabled whenever when you use S3 bucket as a enable bucket versioning. So if anything happens, you can roll back to the previous version, or any or the, so that you can configure it according to your requirement. Okay, we have IAM role created. S3 bucket is also I'll keep this S3 bucket for future. I'll keep I think this won't incur any cost. So how would you check the cost? You can just go to this billing and cost management. Okay, and you can check what would be. Okay, data is not available. We are preparing your cost usage. Okay, so maybe tomorrow I'll be able to see this. So you should while practicing, you should always keep an eye on this dashboard, but only the root user, unless there is one thing, unless the access is provided, only the root user can use this, can see this dashboard. Okay, so any other user cannot. So yeah. Thank you all. I think my resources are also deleted. Oh my god, have I created any? Okay, this is database subnet. Okay, so all the resources have been destroyed, and now it won't cost me any bill, hopefully. So thank you all, have a nice day.